Hello friends, today we have with us the Ajax Alpha, which is a long range locator, and it comes with automatic and manual mode both. You can determine how much distance you want, how much long range you want to search, and this has got a search capacity of up to 2 kilometers. We will see what all features it comes as we go along the video. So you can see here that it can go up to 2 kilometers as distance, target distance for long range. You can contact Sniper Electronics 9000 for further more details on this, and we will go into the video now and open the box and see how it works. Okay, so this is the leather bag that you get. It comes with straps so that you can carry it along with you wherever you go. Okay, so you can definitely say it is compact in size and easy to handle. This is the high gain antenna. This is the charger for the device, and additionally this is a car charger what you get. This is the headphone speakers. Directly you can pin it here and you can get the audio directly. These are two antennas for long range. Okay, next we have got the warranty card and user manual. You get a warranty card with warranty of up to 2 years. We are going to stamp our seal here, and a customer signature would be required here. You can tally this serial number to the product serial number. Okay, and it comes with a 2-year warranty basically. Then next you will find is a thorough user manual that you can go step by step. Following this, you can detect and connect all the equipment easily. This is a user manual for Ajax Alpha. You can also download it by scanning this. In our next video we will see how to operate this, so please stay along with us and do subscribe KS Wasif my YouTube channel for getting more updates on the latest products from Ajax and GER and BR detectors. Thanks for watching. Okay friends, as you can see, the device is now ready, and we have not connected all the signals, all the antennas and all so far. Just for understanding how what all features it have got, we'll just go to the menu. Because this is a closed environment, searching it in the office would not be a suitable place to search for. So what we'll do is we'll check all the features what are available in this video. We will make a separate video for testing the capability of this device. You have got two functions, manual mode and automatic mode, as we have discussed earlier. Okay, so first we'll see what we have got in the manual mode. Okay, what do you want to search? You can define here whether you want gold, nuggets, silver, copper, bronze, iron, tin, lead, aluminium, diamonds, emerald, cavity is nothing but a tunnel or something. Okay, so you can see, you can determine the distance from 100 meters minimum to a maximum research range of up to 2500 meters. 2250 meters you can search up to. Okay. Then coming to depth, this is a very good feature. Usually no detector gives you searching depth capacity, and you have to do it manually by searching them. Here you can increase the depth, so the signal strength will increase slowly. Yeah, up to 50 meters you can search. After setting all what your preferences, then you can select, say start. Then this is how it will function. Basically we have not connected any antennas, so you will not see any results as of now because we are in our office right now. So there are two small antennas that we have seen in the video earlier that will be connected here. On the bottom side we have got the high gain antenna we have got, so that will be connected here in the bottom. This is the port for connecting the high gain antenna. These are the two small antennas that we are going to connect in the front side. The front side that we are going to connect are these two antennas. Okay. So this is where the battery is going to go in. This is the battery port. Because the system is on right now, I'm not opening it basically. You can directly go into settings, main menu. You can increase or decrease the volume and all from here. You can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. You can reduce the volume. See, now it won't give you that sound. What detection sound it will give you, that it will not give you. Okay. You can also go into the menu by coming out. Just check the automatic mode. Automatic mode, you don't have to determine what target or whatever. It will start searching on its full capacity. It automatically it will determine the range, the depth, the target what it has found, and it will give you the signal accordingly. Okay, see, you can see the distance and the direction, all it will give you automatically. Next is the setting part. Here you can select the language, you can select the time zone, display brightness, sound that we have seen from outside, that all you can do. There are two modes, power saving mode and optimum mode. If you want to searching for a longer time and all, you can just go for power saving, or optimum mode is the best mode. You can also save some options here. Whatever search results you have got, you can save, because this is a new device, we don't have saving option here, but you can save up to these many number of results. Okay, sir. For any other further details of any Ajax or related Ajax company related Alpha or any other products, you can definitely contact us for Sniper Electronics and our website also, and you can contact us through our mobile number 9009777830. Thank you for watching the video.